Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to edit out figure stands using multiple exposures. I call this shot Cloud Rider. I'll also show you my editing process in Photoshop. For this shot I used 2 Scout Troopers, 2 Riot Troopers, and Enfys Nest, all from the Black series. To begin my setup, I turned on my background TV before stacking a few cinder blocks on my desk. I used the blocks to prop up this huge truck step I found on the side of the road. I spotted it while my wife and I were driving home from the grocery store, and she very patiently let me pull over and run back a block to get it. Next, I posed and placed my figures. I've been dying to use Enfys Nest enter speeder bike in a shot for a few months now, and my found set piece was perfect for it. I was imagining a speeder bike chase near an Imperial facility with Enfys using her speed to knock out the guards. I had to use figure stands to get most of the poses I wanted, which meant I would need to edit them out in Photoshop. This was actually my second attempt at setting up this shot because I accidentally knocked the whole thing over the first time. Luckily, no toys were damaged. With the scene set, it was time to shoot. But before I move on to editing, here's a quick look at my lighting setup. I used an LED ring for my key light, a rectangular panel light for my fill, and a smaller panel light for my backlight. Here's my starting image. My first task in my editing process was to combine multiple exposures with layer masking. In addition to removing the figure stands, I also wanted to remove the glare from my ring light. Because the image had so much going on, I needed to use the pen tool to do this. It's tedious, but it's also very precise. After that time-consuming process, I added adjustment layers and a vignette before doing a quick bit of dodging and burning. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.